Welcome to Let Me Know YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.
Good morning, children. Today's class, the number of numbers which are multiple of both 3 and 5 in the first 100 natural numbers. So common multiples of 3 and 5 are the multiples of 3 into 5, that is 15 only. 15 multiples are common for 3 and 5 directly. So 15 multiples are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90. Why I am stopping at 90 only means they mention clearly that below 100 in the first 100 natural numbers, that's why up to 90 only. So how many number of multiples are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total 6 multiples are common in the first 100 natural numbers. So the answer is 6. The HCF of two numbers 14 and 28 is 14. Find the LCM. So HCF is given, two numbers is given, we need to find the LCM. In this type of questions we have a formula that LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. This is a formula. So here we need to submit the LCM. We need to find the LCM. We need to submit the remaining values. HCF is 14 and the product of two numbers. The two numbers the given is 14 and 28. Okay, so I'm just transposing 14 to right side. LCM equal to 14 into 28 by 14. That means 14 get cancelled. Only 28 is the answer. So 14 and 28 LCM is 28. Next, what is the 4-digit smallest number which is completely divided by 2, 3, 8, 10? So first we need to find the LCM of 2, 3, 8, 10. That will be a common multiple for 2, 3, 8, 10. Smallest common multiple. So that is nothing but 120. LCM of 2, 3, 8, 10 is 120. So we need to find now the smallest 4-digit number is a multiple of 120. Okay, that means 129 is 1080. 1080 is the smallest number that will be divided by 2, 3, 8, 10 completely. Okay, next. The HCF of two numbers is 38 and their LCM is 98,154. If one of the number is 1558, the other number is we need to find. So in this case also we need to use the same formula, LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. LCM is 98,154, HCF is 38. One number is 1558, other I took as X. So X equal to remaining number 98 154 into 38 by 1558. By simplifying this, simplification is nothing but by dividing these I'm going to get 2394 only. So the other number is 2394. This is the second number. This is the answer for the question. The second number, the other number is 2394. Next question. HCF of 128, 288 and 160 is. So here I am going to use the division method to find the HCF. First of all, we should take smallest two numbers, that is 128 and 160. I am dividing 160 with 128. So here is the division. 128 ones are 128, 32 remainder. So 32, again I should divide 128 with 32. So 32 4s are 128. The HCF of 128 and 160 is 32. With this HCF I need to divide the last number, third number. 32 9s are 288. So HCF of these three numbers 128, 288 and 160 is 32 only. Okay. If the product of two co-prime numbers is 117, their LCM will be. Here co-prime means HCF is 1. Okay. Co-prime means the HCF is 1. So LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. So LCM into HCF is 1. LCM equal to the product of two numbers is 117. The answer is 117. Okay. The next question, the greatest number which will divide 1277 and 1368, leaving 3 as the remainder in each case. So we need to find the HCF of 1277 minus 3, because in that case it leaves the remainder as 3, and 1368 minus 3, in this case also it will leave the remainder as 3. So HCF of 1274 and 1365. So 1274 and 1365, when I should divide this, I'm going to get 1270 4 ones are 1274, remainder 91, 91 14 times, 91 ones are 91, 91 fours are 364. So the HCF is 91. Okay. So 91 is a number when we should divide 1277 and 1368 with 91, it will leaves the remainder as 3. Next, LCM of 114 and 95. So LCM of 114 and 95 is nothing but 95, 19 5s are 195, 19 6 are 114. So 19 5 6 are 30. 19 30s are 570 is the answer. LCM of 114 and 95 is 570. Okay. Next, this is most important question. 3 bells ring sets intervals of 12, 15 and 18 minutes respectively. They started ringing simultaneously at 9 am. What will be the next time when they all ring simultaneously? For that, we need to find the LCM of 12, 15 and 18. Okay, 2 6 are 12, 2 15, like that only. 2 9s are 18. Next, 2 3s are 6, 15 and 9 common, that's 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. So LCM of this 12, 15, 18 is 180. Okay. Next, I just want to convert these 180 minutes into hours. For that, I am dividing 180 by 60. It will convert minutes to hours. It will become 3 hours now. So they all ring it simultaneously at 9 am. So after 3 hours, so 9 plus 3 12. 12 pm they will ring again simultaneously. So the next question, the greatest number which is divided by 1, 280 and 1245 leaves the remainder 4 and 3 respectively. Here also the same thing like we discussed for 7th question. HCF of 280 minus 4 because in this case it leaves the remainder as 4, and 1245 minus 3, in this case it leaves the remainder as 3. So HCF of 276 and 1242 we need to find. So after finding that 276 4s are 1104, remainder is 138, 138 2s are 276. So HCF of 276 and 1242 is 138. So this is the greatest number which is divided by 280, and 1245 leaves the remainder 4 and 3 respectively. So 138 is the greatest number which divides the 280 and 1245 and leaves the remainders as 4 and 3 respectively. So the next question, find the HCF of 45, 75 and 165. First we need to take two small numbers, 45 and 75. I am dividing 75 with 45. So 45 ones are 45. So remainder 30, 30 ones are 30. Remainder 15, 15 with 30 again. 15 twos are 30. So HCF of these two numbers 45 and 75 is 15. With this 15 I am going to divide 165. 15 11s are 165. So 15 is the HCF of 45, 75 and 165. The answer. Next, find the smallest number divided by 42, 90 and 70. Smallest in the sense we need to find the LCM. So LCM of 42, 98 and 70 is 2 21s are 42, 2 19, 49s are 98, 2 35s are 70. So 7 3s are 7 7s are 7 5s are. So 2 into 7 into 3 into 7 into 5 is nothing but 1470. So smallest number is 1470. Next question, find the LCM of 12, 18 and 24. The LCM of 12, 18 and 24 is nothing but 72. This is the process. Follow the process. Next, LCM of 42, 70, 98 and 160, 126 is nothing but, here this is the process. Okay, follow this process. The answer is 14 for 10. So 4410. Answer is 4410. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. So common factors in these two is 1 and 3 only. So that's why common factors for both are 1 and 3 only. Okay. Next, HCF of 16 and 20 is nothing but 4. HCF of 16 and 20 is nothing but 4. 16 ones are 16, 4 4s are 16. So HCF is 4. Then next, LCM of 15 and 18 is 90. The next question, find the LCM of 30, 40 and 60 is nothing but 120. Here is the process. See the process. 19th one is HCF of 48, 144 and 576. So first of all we need to take smallest two numbers 48 and 144. Find the LCM for that. After getting the LCM as 48, with that HCF you need to divide 576. So HCF of these 48, 144, 576 is nothing but 48 only. So the LCM of 16, 80, 48 is 240. Here is the process. Check the process. That's all for today. You just practice more questions from the book. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.